All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to hook your PS4 controller up to your Windows 10 PC with Bluetooth in order to get it working wirelessly so you can hook it up to like Steam or DS4 Windows or whatever program you want to use as a driver so you can play games using your favorite controller. So the simple answer is the first thing you got to do is pop into your computer's Bluetooth settings. So let's go jump into that. With this open, you got to make sure that your controller is discoverable. And if this was recently plugged into your PlayStation and you haven't reset it yet, be sure to use this little hole on the back side of the controller. Press like a paperclip or something in there for like 10, 12 seconds, or a count of 10 to 12 to reset it. And then you should be able to very easily put this into discoverable mode by hitting the PlayStation button right here and the share button at the same time. And then eventually the light on the back should begin to flash rapidly. That tells you that it's in discoverable mode. Then, over in the Bluetooth and other devices section on your computer settings, you go to add Bluetooth device, click on Bluetooth at the top. Oh, I suppose it would help if I actually turned my Bluetooth on this computer. So let me do that. So we'll go to add Bluetooth or other device, go to Bluetooth, and then inside of here, as long as this is still blinking, we should see the wireless controller as an input pop up. Wireless controller, which is what we want. We want to connect this bad boy. And just like that, our controller is paired. We should have had a little pop-up appear in the lower corner of the screen like I just did. And now we're ready to go, and you can hook this up with DS4 Windows or with Steam to use this as your default controller. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. This has been how to hook your PS4 controller up to your Windows 10 PC with Bluetooth. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.